Bim! Bim, 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 bim! Guess what? We're going vegan. We're going meat-free chicken pies, which makes no sense. They're bird's eye. And the box is weird because I opened the end of the box like you normally do and I couldn't get in. And then I realised, look, there's a tear strip. And then you open it up and you're in the box. It's in the box. So, put it all back together again. You see, it's pretty good apart from saturated fats, which is red. Ingredients are glazed pastry, fortified wheat, wheat flour, calcium carbonate, water, rapeseed oil, palm oil. These are frozen, by the way. Niacin, iron, thiamine, ROPS, water, rapeseed, palm oil, dextrose, salt, pea protein, sugar colour, sorry. Filling is water, pea protein, carrots, peas, modified maize starch, yeast extract, onion, pea fibre, fortified wheat flour, sunflower oil, potato starch, vegetable stock, barley, malt extracts, and other stuff. And there are 4 pies in a pack. I can't remember how much I paid for the packs, to be honest. But anyway, you've seen what they look like raw. This is what they look like cooked. It looks like a pie. Has it got a soggy bottom? There's the bottom. Doesn't look soggy. So, so far so good. Apart from the palm oil. Obs. So, the pastry's quite tough. By quite tough, I've tried to cut it and it's literally just splitting off. Salt though. I generally thought that the pastry would be kind of puff pastry. No, it's concrete pastry. To be fair, the inside looks like chicken. For example, look at that piece there. That looks like a piece of chicken. But it's got no texture. It's like eating mush. Try again. Right, I've got the vegetable fake meatless chicken and pastry. Oh. I mean, it tastes all right. The problem is the pastry is rock hard. And although the meatless chicken kind of looks like chicken, it's got no real texture to it. So it tastes all right. I'll have a Sprite. But you've got to have the texture as well. The pastry at the bottom isn't too bad. It's okay. It does lead me to the question, why do a lot of vegan foods, meat-free, etc., want to be looking and tasting like meat, when the whole point of the majority of people who eat vegan food, does it say it's vegan on it actually? That's a good point. Oh yeah, it does there, vegan. Loses the point for palm oil, which isn't easy to say. You try it. So I'm going to give it pastry's rank, but I don't understand why the pastry is so bad. I'm going to give it 1 star out of 5. It loses a point anyway. Doesn't look like the picture. This is vile. Avoid at all costs. Bird's eye. Pull your finger out your posterior and get yourself sorted. Until next time, be seeing you.